this?
This thing I call love, I just can't handle.
At that time, si Sugar was working for San Miguel. She was handling the biggest promotional event of Pale Pilsen, which is the Oktoberfest.
He was actually my director for the Oktoberfest 2004.
Call love, it cries in a cradle all night.
The first time na nakita ko siya doon sa conference room, sabi ko, "Uy, ang ganda pala nitong assistant brand manager ng Pale Pilsen." Di syempre, reporting ako sa kanya, siya yung kliyente. So, at least, maganda yung makakausap ko, ganyan.
She knows how to rock and roll, she drives me crazy.
Later on, nalaman ko na single siya, single din naman ako.
So I really feel that God had a hand in our meeting.
Relax, get hip,
Kasi malakas yung pressure ng Oktoberfest eh. Si Sugar, worry-wart yan eh. Nag-worry siya parate pagka may problemang maliit. So, at that time, pag may problema siya sa event, ako magsosolve ng problemang yon, nagkakagaanan kami ng loob, di ba? Nakagaanan ko na siya ng loob, sabi ko mag-relax siya, ganyan, manood kami ng sine. Kung gusto niya, ititreat ko siya ng dinner.
Unlike with other men, when I was having problems with Oktoberfest, they wanted to solve my problem simply by just watching a movie and having dinner, and they felt that that would just help me relax and forget about my problems. But June, on the other hand, when he asked me out on dates, he actually helped me solve my problems. And I saw that this is one man that I could really rely on.
then she leaves me in a cool, cool sweat.
Nung nililigawan ko siya, ongoing yung project. So yung launch ng Oktoberfest, nililigaw-ligawan ko pa lang siya. Pero parang hindi pa niya alam yun.
One time we had a meeting, it was late at night, and I was surprised because we were supposed to discuss about work, but his whole family was there. Ate Marilu, Kuya Ruel, Kuya Randy, and they were very, very warm. They actually made me feel very welcome.
Little thing called love.
Yun, hanggang dinner lang, gano'n, dalaw sa bahay.
He gave me a CD, and that first song was actually You Are the One, and the other one was about Hibang. It talked about this guy who didn't feel that he deserved to be with this girl, and parang nahihibang ba siya that he actually thought that meron siyang chance or meron siyang pag-asa to be with this girl. And then when I listened to it, my office mates were so excited about it. Sobrang kinikilig sila, yung mga girls. And then the guys were beginning to wonder why I kept listening to those songs. And I found myself really smiling and happy listening to those songs. So I guess that's how I started feeling something different for him.
When people keep repeating, that you'll never fall in love.
He really took his time. He was very patient. And then my family actually had a really big hand in it because they approved of him. They saw how beautiful his heart is. June is the first man that my sister has ever liked. And among all those other guys that courted me, she never even gave them the time of day. So June, dapat magsalamat ka kay ate.
Ano yan, October 27 yun eh. Nag-dinner kami noon sa Uno. Doon kami naging official na my girlfriend, ganyan.
Actually, panira ako ng plano. We had this planned a long time ago. Unfortunately, there were so many things that happened.
Nag-abroad siya, pagdating niya, nakagat ng aso yung daddy niya, mga ganon.
One of those very few times that I was able to leave the office early. I asked my boss if I could leave early kasi birthday ni Mama Mary. So we heard Mass. He took the opportunity and brought me to Podium. We ate at Florabelle's restaurant.
Nag-dinner na kami, may kinompose akong sa MMS message. Pinicture ako yung sarili ko, tapos may yung background ko, may mga suggestive words na may music. Tapos nilabas ko na yung sing-sing.
And then he opened this box with this ring, this very beautiful ring. How can any girl say no to this huge diamond?
Comes a new way of
Pag nakita mo si Sugar, makikita mo na kagad na magandang babae. Pagka nakausap mo na, magaling magsalita, whether Matagalog or English.
June has such a beautiful heart. I've never met a more patient man.
When you look deeper into Sugar, andyan na yung mga qualities na maasikaso. Maasikaso sa akin, maasikaso sa kay Pawi, maasikaso sa kapatid niya, sa pamilya niya.
He has taught me to be more giving of myself to others.
God-fearing. Siya rin yung naglapit sa akin sa Diyos.
He is so understanding of my work.
Hindi niya ako give up. Yung mga, meron kaming pinagdaanan dati ni Sugar na syempre may problema ako, may problema. Yung, hindi siya bumitaw. Hanggang sa naging comfortable ako.
He can cook, I can't.
Kasi magaling siya sa finances also. Masasabi ko, ngayon mas may naiipon na ako.
I believe he's very intelligent. His intelligence just comes in different form. His creativity. You know, sometimes he talked to me about his ideas and I'm surprised at just how great his ideas are.
Malapit siya sa bata. Mahal na mahal niya yung mga pamangkin niya. Tapos ngayon, mahal na mahal niya si Pawi. Pag may mga importanteng okasyon si Pawi, nandun din siya.
He's funny. But more than being funny, he makes me smile.